This is Gab with DS Diving. It is August 18th, 2026. Here at Seafaring Marina. This is Gab with DS Diving. This is Blue Cloud, I think, or something like that. Getting the waterline video. As you can see, when I scrub the waterline, a lot of that paint is coming off and leaking into the water. So I find that you probably need to get more bottom paint soon. And yeah, as you can see, the staining on the waterline is pretty bad. I've cleaned it off as best as I can get it. However,